In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Having that extra layer of security can really give you peace of mind when it comes to protecting your account. So, let's get you all set up. And in just a few minutes, you'll have added that extra safeguard to your Binance account. To get started, you'll first want to open up the Binance app and log into your account. If you haven't already done so, make sure your Binance app is up to date to ensure a smooth process. Once you're logged in, locate the Account tab, which you can usually find at the bottom right of your screen. From there, head on over to Security. Security settings are where you manage all your protective features to keep your account safe. Now that you're here, look for the 2FA options. For those not in the know, 2FA stands for Two-Factor Authentication, which is a vital security measure. Under these 2FA options, you will see an option called Authenticator App. Go ahead and select that. Next, you'll be prompted to click on Manage and then Enable Authenticator App. This is the part where you'll see a QR code. If you're familiar with QR codes, you know they are kind of like digital fingerprints. So at this point, you have a couple of options. You can either scan the QR code with your device, or as a backup, copy or take a screenshot of the backup key. Make sure to store this information safely. It's vital in case you need to set up the app again. Once you've got that sorted, tap on Next. This will move you forward in the setup process. Now it's time to switch gears and open up your Google Authenticator app. If you don't have it already, you can download it from your App Store. When you're in the app, the plus sign in the top right corner will guide you to add a new account. Choose whether to enter a setup key manually or scan QR code. Both options will effectively link your Binance account to the Authenticator app. Almost there. Back on the Binance app, you'll need to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator. This code updates every 30 seconds, so be sure to enter it promptly to avoid any issues. Double-check everything, and when you're ready, tap on Submit. That's it. Google Authenticator is now fully activated for your Binance account. This added layer of protection will greatly enhance your security, making it far more challenging for any unauthorized attempts to access your account. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keeping your account secure is a crucial step in managing your digital life. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.